shoulders, up and down, stretch your arms, and turn around. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning.
Hello my dear students, how are you today? Welcome to new English lesson. First, let's start our lesson today by listening to our school vision.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
First, let's remember our online classroom rules. Rules in the online classroom. Number 1, sign in on time. 2, find some quiet places to study. Number 3, listen. Number 4, look at the screen. Number 5, raise your hand if you need to say anything. Now, my dear students, look at these two pictures and tell me what can you see? Of course, school and teacher. Very good. Can you tell me why do we go to school? To learn. Very good. To learn new things about our world. Thank you so much. And the teacher help us to learn new things and to learn more about science, about math, about English, Arabic, Islamic, and many school subjects. Can you think what will happen if we don't have schools? Yeah, we can't understand many things. We can solve some problems. Very good. So this is the importance of our education. The importance of education. That's why we need to learn to grow up and help our community and serve Qatar. You know, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam قال: ومن سلك طريقا يلتمس فيه علما سهل الله له به طريقا إلى الجنة. This is our Prophet Muhammad and we are Muslims, so we have to follow his hadith. So this is our value for this week. Importance of education. Our lesson today, Module 6, What's It Like? Our World Part 1. You will find this lesson in your student book page 70, workbook page 60. Let's start. As usual, let's start with our new objectives. Identify 6 new words. Skim a text to identify the purpose. Read and write T for true or F for false. Number 4, read to complete an umbrella worksheet. First, write a sentence using to. I want you, my dear students, to look at the picture and try to make a sentence using to. Look at this picture. Look at this bag. Is it heavy? Yes, of course. Yeah. I can't. It's heavy. I can't carry it. So let's make a sentence using to. Excellent. This bag is too heavy to carry. Now, I want you to watch the video and try to remember the name of the fastest bird in the world. And answer, have you ever seen a bird like this in real life?
Today we're learning about the top 5 fastest birds in the world. This is a countdown of the fastest birds in the world, but in fact, these 5 birds represent the fastest animals of any kind in the entire world. Number 5, the Eurasian hobby. A small falcon that resides in Africa, Europe, and Central and East Asia, the Eurasian hobby is a bird of prey. It flies powerfully and fast. Its speed allows it to catch and even sometimes eat its dinner mid-air. Dragonflies, small bats, swallows, and even swifts. The Eurasian hobby may reach flight speeds of up to 100 miles or 161 kilometers per hour. Number 4, the swift. Swifts look a bit like swallows, but they are actually more closely related to hummingbirds. Swifts spend almost their whole lives in flight. They spend so much time in the air that hundreds of years ago people believed that they had no feet since they were never seen to land. Of course, they do have feet, but their legs are small and weak, and they never land on the ground if they can help it. Swifts have been reported flying at speeds of 106 miles or 171 kilometers per hour. Number 3, the gerfalcon. The gerfalcon is the largest of the falcon species, living mainly in the Arctic and the bordering areas of North America, Greenland, Europe, and Asia. It feeds on birds and mammals like lemmings, ground squirrels, and hares. Gerfalcons are valued by falconers who use them in hunting. Although it rarely hunts by diving, the gerfalcon achieves high speeds in its dives, as much as 130 miles or 209 kilometers per hour. Number 2, the golden eagle. One of the largest and most widespread eagles in the Northern Hemisphere, the golden eagle is considered one of the best flyers in the entire eagle family. Like the gerfalcon, the golden eagle is valued by falconers, but it can take much larger prey. It is such a large, skilled hunter that it can even kill wolves. In a full swoop, a golden eagle can reach speeds of 200 miles or 320 kilometers per hour, making it the second fastest living thing on Earth. Number 1, the peregrine falcon. The fastest animal on the planet, the peregrine falcon is found on every continent except Antarctica. It is about the same size as a crow, and it hunts birds almost exclusively, although it will sometimes take small mammals or reptiles.
Now let's learn our new vocabulary. Number 1, look at this picture. Look at this cheetah. Of course, we are talking about speed. Can you guess the meaning of the word speed? Very good, very fast. The cheetah is running at a very high speed.
Speed. Speed. Speed.
Number 2, look at this animal. Of course, falcon. Hamad has a bright-eyed falcon.
Falcon.
Number 3, create. What does it mean, the word create? Create means to make something new or original that did not exist before. For example, this new computer program helps artists create digital art.
Create.
The next word is decide. What does it mean, the word decide? Decide means to make a choice about what you are going to do.
Decide. Decide.
For example, he couldn't decide what direction he should follow.
Decide.
Record. Information kept about something that has happened.
Record.
Come out. Come out means be made known or be issued or published. The new 2020 Range Rover Defender came out last September. Now, my dear students, it's practice time. Let's go to our workbook, page 60, activity 1, read and circle. Number 1, cheetahs are the fastest animals in the world. They can run at a speed or record of 64 km per hour. Of course, the answer is speed. Very good. You can pause the video for a while to read and answer. Now let's check our answers. Number 2, did that new book you wanted to read come out? Yeah, it did. Let's go and buy it. Number 3, Leonardo da Vinci created many paintings and inventions during his life. Number 4, the falcon is the national bird of Qatar. Now let's move to the second part of our lesson, skim a text to identify the purpose. The author's purpose. Why did the author write this text? Maybe to persuade, or to inform, or to entertain. Now I want you to look at this book. What is it about? Guinness World Record. Very good. Have you ever heard about it? Now, I want you to look at our text today. Can you read the title? What will the text be about? Yeah, about amazing records. Good job. Here we have an introduction and a paragraph about people, about animals and buildings. Now, let's skim the text to identify the purpose and find out which is the most poisonous ant in the world. Now listen and find out.
Module 6, Our World. 2. Do you know about any world records? Discuss with the class. Listen and answer. Which is the most poisonous ant in the world? Check your answer with a partner. Read the text.
Amazing records. In 1951, Sir Hugh Beaver decided to create a book with many records and amazing facts. In 1955, the Guinness Book of World Records came out. Records change all the time, so a new edition comes out every year. Here is some information you can find in the book. People. In 2006, the tallest man in the world was Bao Zishan from Mongolia, 2.36 meters. In 2009, Sultan Kosan from Turkey became the tallest man in the world, 2.46 meters. Animals. The fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon. It can fly at a speed of 270 to 350 kilometers per hour. Two of the most dangerous insects are the bull ant and the bullet ant. But the bullet ant is more dangerous than the bull ant. In fact, it's the most poisonous ant in the world. Buildings. The Petronas Towers in Kuala Lumpur are the world's tallest matching pair of buildings. The towers have got 88 floors and are 451.9 meters tall. A sky bridge connects the two towers at the 41st and 42nd floors.
Modules.
Now, which insect is the most poisonous? Of course, the pollet ant. The pollet ant is the most dangerous or the most poisonous ant in the world. Where are the Petronas Towers? Good job, in Kuala Lumpur. Now, I want you to read again and write T for true or F for false. Number 1. The first Guinness Book of World Records came out in 1951. Is it true or false? Of course, false. Now you can pause the video to read and answer. Now let's check our answers. Number 2, records aren't at the same every year? True. Bao Chen was the tallest man in the world in 2009. False. Sultan Qasim is shorter than Bao Chen. Also false. Number 5. The bull ant is more dangerous than the bullet ant. False. The last one, the Petronas towers are the same height. That's true. Now, my dear students, look at this umbrella. We are going to fill in with some facts. Number 1, write the main idea in a complete sentence. Yeah, what is the text will be about? It's about world records in different categories. On the lines next to the handle, write 2 or 3 facts about amazing records. Number 1, in 2006, Bao Chen was the tallest man in the world. Fact number 2, the bullet ant is the most poisonous ant in the world. Fact number 3, the Petronas towers are the world's tallest matching pair of buildings. Here we have reached to the end of our lesson today. I hope you are enjoying. Thank you so much.